Hey guys, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing.
We are here at the Tampa RV show, and right behind us is the 2020 Foretravel IH-45.
Yes, we're gonna do a full tour of it, and you're not gonna want to miss it. So entering this IH-45, look at the detail on the tile work on the steps here. Take a look at the cockpit here. I believe this is on a Spartan chassis. Overhead cabinets. On the televator, passenger side. What do you got there? Oh, very cool. Induction cooktop. Hardwood that slides over. Oh no, that's just a piece. And G profile convection oven, microwave. Very nice.
I like how this goes back. At least like how it goes back. It's a lot of space.
Is there a dishwasher in here?
Yeah, probably. Yep.
Nice size dishwasher. All lit up. You got a lot of space in here for garbage can, plugs. Some more storage. Your controls for the lights. And the water pump. Dimming everything. Look at the LEDs here running underneath. Right over the sink. And look at the texture in the ceiling. Nice ceiling texture. Nice overhead tray lights. Ceiling trays. So we'll work our way over to the back. Did you get the refrigerator? French door style GE refrigerator. You got the flush fit floors. Check out the flush fit floors. No carpet here. Kitchen booth. For the fit and finish.
Yeah, I'm not as wild
nice.
about the color in this one. But, you know.
Some more storage.
A lot of shelves. Check this out.
I might be raising it down.
Nice. This is a half bath. Pretty decent size. Everything is finished nicely in here. Sink with the brass finish. Nicely tiled. Tiled floor. This is a quad slide, so you get the extra room.
Here's your control. Water.
And your controls.
Lights.
Let's move to the
Bedroom, ready?
Move to the
Got the
bedroom.
same ones in here too.
This is a huge bedroom.
Pockets, everything.
But look at the detail on the walls, like how the walls are finished here. And the ceiling, it's like a textured vinyl ceiling. A lot of cabinets overhead.
Vents.
Mm-hmm.
The bathroom. I don't care for this that much.
This is nice back
I'm
here.
gonna get on the this side here. Pop-up TV and a televator. A lot of storage here. Can you open up one of those closets? And you got drawers below. Can you open one of
Look
these?
at the side, the shape. That's
Yeah,
cool.
can you open one of those?
One of the bigger ones.
Can you open this here?
That's the important part.
Yes.
Don't know how to open it. Maybe it doesn't open.
It doesn't.
Or maybe it does, we don't know. Now let's get into the bath.
Ain't the greatest, but the grouting is terrible.
Especially for 1.4 million.
Yeah, you could play it in the corner.
Nice
Yeah,
size.
that's not too bad.
Here's your scapegoat. When Izzy pisses me off, I can jump out without him knowing.
So wait, this has two? Oh no, it's the it's just separate.
It's just part of the master
so the back bath
but
has a separate toilet, which I guess is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't do a very good grout job
No?
in that bathroom, no.
Let's see.
Okay.
The gentleman here that's.
Look in the corner.
Oh yeah, I do see that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And that
Oh,
yeah.
that wall over
Open
there.
this
Look how
up.
they're chipped. Looks like. Man, I'd be tearing this apart.
It's a nice sized bathroom now.
Yeah, it's
but
nice.
Yeah, look at the grout work
for the money
here.
you're paying,
It's
right?
terrible, yeah.
But it's all tiled out. Oh, it actually has a seat here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's,
Oh, you gotta have a seat.
And what if this throws
Did I
out
ever tell you
steam?
look like Woody Harrelson?
Yep,
all
many
the time.
times.
Oh my god! Like
I thought if he said yes, I am
I had to
Woody
double
Harrelson.
take. Yep. You want to be in our video? Woody Harrelson look-alike.
Open this up.
There's your washer dryer.
Washer dryer by Bosch.
Honey, they think I'm a star.
It's Woody Harrelson. They said somebody's had to tell you that before. Probably all the time,
Big closet.
right?
Yeah.
This is a closet.
No.
And here is the double sink. Can you open up these drawers in here?
I don't know why they fur line. Where do they put that?
That's nice.
Carpeted.
Yeah.
I don't know if they
I
put
don't-
carpet underneath the sink.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
Still a nice coach.
A lot of storage.
Lot of
and then
storage.
two big medicine cap. Again.
Back I can see carpeted, but not underneath.
Yeah, but I don't even like it there. That's just my opinion.
Let's get a shot going all the way down.
Take a look at this. Look, more storage here.
So you got some more storage in the bathroom.
It's a nice sized bathroom. It's really nice.
So, yay or nay? Oh.